Third problem, draw the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. Find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. So let us write in solution. So given equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. So here in this, let us draw a box to get the points. To draw a straight line, we need minimum 2 points. So if we substitute 0 here, it will be 2 zeros are 0, 3y is equals to 11. 3 goes down, 11 by 3, that will gives us decimal, some number in decimal. But we need to avoid taking decimals. Okay, so let us take some other number except 0. We will take 1. So 2 ones are 2. If we take 1 in place of x, we get 2 ones are plus 3y is equals to 11. So 2 ones are 2 plus 3y is equals to 11. 2 goes to that side. So 3y is equals to 11 minus 2. So 3y is equals to 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So therefore y is equals to 3. So when we substitute x is equals to 1, we get 3, y as 3. So 1 comma 3. Next, now we will take y as 1. Let us substitute this. So 2x plus 3, 1 is equals to 11. So 2x plus 3 ones are 3 is equals to 11. 3 goes to that side. So 2x is equals to 11 minus 3. That is 2x is equals to 8. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So therefore x is equals to 4. So this is 4 comma 1. Now let us plot these points 1 comma 3. On x it is 1 and on y it is 3. So 1 comma 3, 4 comma 1. On x it is 4, on y it is 1. 4 comma 1. Let us join these 2 points. So this line is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. Next, as we have taken only one unit on 1 centimeter, so let us write the scale. Scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Next, they have also asked when x is equals to 1, what is the value of y? So let us write this answer for this. From the graph, when x is equals to 1, when x is equals to 1, the y value is 3. Then y is equals to 3. Fourth problem, draw the graph of the equation y minus x is equals to 2. Find from the graph the value of y when x is equals to 4 and the value of x when y is equals to 3. So let us write in the solution. Given equation is, so the equation is y minus x is equals to 2. Now let us draw a box. X, y, x comma y. Now let us substitute. If we substitute 0 in place of x, y minus 0 is y. Y is equals to 2. So 0 comma 2. Next, if we substitute y as 0, so we get y as 0 minus x is equals to 2. So 0 minus x is minus x is equals to 2. Now multiply with minus on both sides. Minus into minus plus x is equals to minus into plus is minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2. Minus 2, 0. So minus 2 comma 0. So these are the points which we have got. Now let us plot these points. First point is 0 comma 2. So on x it is 0, on y it is 2. Next minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. So this is the point. Let us join these 2 points. This line represent y minus x is equals to 2. So this is the line which is formed. Next we have to say the value of y when x is equals to 4. The value of y when x is equals to 4. From the graph, first bit, the value when x is equals to 4, then y will be, let us check. If x is equals to 4, if x is equals to 4, y is 6, then y is 6. If x is 4, then y is 6. Then next, if y is minus 3, then we have to say what is the value of x. Y is minus 3. When y is minus 3, the value of x is minus 5. If y is equals to minus 3, then x is equals to minus 5. Fifth problem, draw the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Find the solutions from the graph whose y coordinate is 3 and whose x coordinate is minus 3. So let us start the solution. In solution, let us write what is given. Given equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Let us draw a box. X, y, x comma y. If we substitute 0 in place of x, we get 2 into 0 plus 3y is equals to 12. 2 zeros are 0, 3y is equals to 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So y is equals to 4. 0 comma 4. Next, let us substitute y as 0. So 2x plus 3 into 0 is equals to 12. So 2x plus 3 zeros are 0. 2x plus 0 is 2x. 12 is equals to 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are, x is equals to 6. So x is 6, 6 comma 0. Let us plot this point 0 comma 4. So on x is 0 and y is 4 and 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0. Now let us join these 2 points. Two x plus 3y is equals to 12. So in this, they have asked whose y coordinate is 3. So when it is 3, then the value of x. So when y is 3, the value of x is 1.5. So 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. So from the graph we can write the value when y is equals to 3, then x is equals to 3 by 2. So therefore the solution is 3 by 2 comma 3. Next, when whose x coordinate is minus 3, whose x coordinate is minus 3. So here the x coordinate is minus 3. Let us join this 6. So the value of y is 6. When x is equals to minus 3, then y is equals to 6. So therefore the solution is minus 3 comma 6.